you coming back? Thank you so much. I have to go out of the airport.
John.
Bye. Thank you so much for helping and hosting me, and then thank you for peanut butter this morning. See you after Tonga.
Yeah.
Or if I don't see, meaning that I got the sailing boat. Bye. Keep in touch. Bula. Bula.
We still have time, eh?
Oh.
Van Med.
Are you coming back? Thank you so much. I have to go out of the airport, and then I need to go to hospital to have a red test. So I had the red test in Vanuatu, but the problem is I transit here that they say I got rejected in Tonga airport. You have a meter?
No,
I think they charge me too much. It's not about money. I don't like to be scammed. Okay, here there are more taxis. Are you sure 7 is a...
$7 that.
Okay. Yeah. Tanaka. Okay, I got the negative. There was another guy coming from airport as well. So I'm not the only one who had this problem. This is $4. Tanaka. Mode. I'm back to international departures. It was quick. Going to the clinic was 9 Fijian dollars. For coming back it's only $4. Airport taxi. You never know what's true. Okay, it took only 40 minutes. It's not bad, right? And still, my flight time is 2 hours and 20 minutes left. I got the negative. Thank you for direction things. You got bad? You got the negative.
Taxi is trying to rip me off.
Oh yeah,
He asked for 40 baht.
Naka. Morning. Everything's sorted out. Now I need a lock to enter Tonga. I have to send the vaccine certificate and the hotel booking to their health department email 40 hours before departure, so it makes me a bit nervous. It's a bit strict. This flight is much bigger than flight going to Vanuatu, and I don't know why it's bigger, because Vanuatu population is 300,000 and Tonga population is 100,000. It's much smaller, but flight is much bigger. So it's a very interesting point. Here I arrive in Tonga. Now I need to pass immigration. After that I will sort like laid back. Hey!
You travel around
Yeah.
all the Pacific.
Yeah. Oh, looks nice. I entered Tonga without no problem. I was nervous about hotel booking because I did only 2 days. They even didn't check my hotel. So it was easy. Let's go. Wait, did it break? Okay, all good. This is a Tonga International Airport. ATM first, and then SIM card. That's always first thing to do. It's processing. 이거 동남아니. Yes. Weather is so cool. It's dry. It's not humid. Wow, what an incredible weather. Vanuatu and Fiji was really hot and humid, and I sweat too much. Thank you for waiting. Sorry that it took so long. How do you say hello in Tongan?
Malo Lele.
Malo elele.
This is the first time you come over here?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Oh.
And how do you say bye?
Alua.
Alwa. Thank you.
Malo.
Thank you is malo.
Malo.
Oh, how do you say yes?
You.
Iyo. You guys had the volcano eruption this year.
Oh, this year, yeah.
How was
It is okay.
it was okay?
I'm gonna move my family to another place to stay over here. The big house. Everybody gonna scare and move. This is only the waves and the sea. Tonight, no more like too much. Yeah.
So your family were fine.
Yeah.
You're fine. Ah, that's good. Nice to meet you. Just got to room. There's air condition, toilet, shower. Oh, look at this. My running shoes I just bought in Vanuatu because I just started cruise trip. Hopefully I can catch tomorrow morning. My camping gear. Okay, empty. I need to keep this so that I can pack again when I leave Tonga. I'm so excited to explore Tonga. Tonga is different than Vanuatu and Fiji. Vanuatu and Fiji are Melanesian and Tonga is Polynesian. So their actually skin color and looking are different and probably culture would be different as well. Tomorrow I'll figure out how Tonga is. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. See you. Bye bye. It's early morning. Oh, why it's so fresh. Hello. Good morning. Good morning.